Hi everyone, here's one of my most popular tips for commenting as your company page on LinkedIn posts. I cover this in my LinkedIn Leaders Playbook. Here it is for you for free. So what I start by doing is go to the Me menu and then click on my company page. And if I'm the admin of the page, I want to see the company ID. In my case, it's 582202. That is shown in the address field at the top of the screen. I keep a note of that number and I go and find any post that I want to comment on, and I click the three dots and then say copy link to post, and then paste that into a new window so that the post is loaded in its own right. Then I edit the address bar, URL, and I add in a special string that is based on that number that I've copied from my company page. It's $actorCompanyId equals and then my number. The capitalization here is essential. It has to be a capital C and a capital I. When I reload the page with that little special string at the end, nothing will look like it's any different. But if I scroll down, I will see that instead of my face next to the comment field, it'll be my company page logo. I can then insert a comment and post it, and that will now present as a comment from my company page. And this is great if you want to drive more visibility of your company page and get people to click and go back to your company page, hopefully to follow you. I hope that helps. Speak to you soon.